Presenting the Ram 2019 3500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: bright white clear coat, chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper, chrome grille surround, matte black mesh with chrome grille, bright front bumper, rear wheelhouse liners, transmission, 6-speed automatic Eisen AS69 RCHD included, 12.0 inches single rear wheel axle, urethane shift knob, transmission oil cooler, gross vehicle weight 14,000 lbs, quick order package 21A Tradesman included, engine 6.7 Li6 Cummins HD turbo diesel transmission, 6-speed automatic Eisen AS69 RCHD, tire fill alert, wheels, 17 inches x 6.0 steel chrome clad and clearance lamps. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase.